What if I told you that there is a program that will pay you 85,000 US dollars just to learn AI? Well, in this video, we're going to be breaking all that down so you can see if you qualify for this. Let's step into the video. So this is real. It's from Anthropic, the company behind Claude. And no, it's not a scam, but there's a catch. Actually, there are a few catches, and we're going to go through them in this video. So I'm just going to be breaking down exactly what Claude Corps is and who it's really for, and whether you actually qualify. So stick around because the deadline is actually closer than you think. So first, it's pronounced Claude Corps. Apparently the P and the S are actually silent. So forgive me if I pronounce it different. Anyway, so let's keep going. What is Claude Corps? So what it is the setup is like this. Claude Corps is a 12-month program, fully paid fellowship, and it's run by 3 organizations together. So you have Anthropic, which funds it and brings the Claude know-how. You have CodePath, one of the biggest computer science education nonprofits in the US. They actually employ and train you. And then you have Social Finance, which handles the measurement and the long-term funding side. So Anthropic has put an initial $150 million behind this. The plan is to place fellows inside mission-driven nonprofits. So think things like food banks, think veteran services, health, education. You'll be helping those teams actually put AI to work. So now here's the detail a lot of people are getting wrong online. So let's clear it up. You'll see the number 1,000 floating around. That's the total the program wants to train over the time, not in this first round. The first cohort is for 100 fellows, and that's the one closing soon. After that, there'll be 2 more intakes, one in January 2027 and one in August 2027. So if this round isn't your moment, you are not locked out forever, and applications are reviewed on a rolling basis, which means the sooner you get in, the better. Let's look at the perks. Now, let's talk money here, because the perks are genuinely strong for a fellowship. You're on an $85,000 salary a year, which is paid twice a month. Full benefits, medical, dental, vision, you name it, plus life and disability insurance. And on top of that, fellows get up to $2,500 in Claude API credits to actually build with. For a role aimed at people early in their careers, this is a serious package. Now, that under 2-year rule, a lot of people are complaining about that it's discriminating against professionals. So, okay, now that part, that's the one that lit up the comment sections in a lot of videos that I watched. So to qualify, you need to have less than 2 years of full-time work experience. A lot of people had feelings about this. I saw comments calling it age discrimination. Some people said this crosses off the majority of people. So yeah, and there's some people talking about some of the experiences they had and feeling that they were overlooked. So let's get this straight. This is deliberate. Anthropic is specifically building early career talent, people right at the start of their working life. So if you've got 10, 15, 20 years behind you, you're looking to pivot, this particular program isn't really for you. Some people have already reported being knocked back for having too much experience. So that's just how it is. The other thing that's sparking a lot of controversy online is the fact that this program is only for people who are legally entitled to work in the US. So it's not remote. So basically, these things, if you come from a place like Australia or from the UK or from Kenya, wherever you're from, this is not a remote position. So you have to be 18 years old and you have to be already have authorization to work in the US, because this is an in-person opportunity. You need to be physically near the nonprofit for you to get matched with it. So that's just how it is. You have to be US based only. So this is what you need to do before you apply. You need to do 2 free courses first. You need to do the AI Fluency course and the Claude 101 course. Then you have to upload your certificates with your application. No certificates, no application. I'll drop the links to the courses that you need to do in the description. So the clock is ticking. The deadline is July 17. The first cohort starts in October 2026. So if you're in, here's your timeline. Applications for the first cohort close July 17th. That is coming up fast. If you're selected, the program kicks off in October. And remember what I said earlier, the deadline for the first cohort only, that's the one that's due soon. If you miss out, there'll be other opportunities in 2027. So first, there's the written application with a few short questions, including one about a time you made an impact in your community and one about learning from a mistake or setback. Then there's a take-home assessment, then a shorter conversational interview, and finally a one-on-one interview. That's really thorough, so don't expect to sail through it or don't think it's a walk in the park. You actually have to have your best foot forward. So I guess one tip I'll give is use Claude to prepare. Build something, use Claude to prepare, ask Claude for practice questions based on the program's mission, get it to poke holes into your short answers. You can also ask Claude to tell you an end-to-end project story clearly and honestly. Even if you don't land a spot, going through the interview process at this level will genuinely help you prepare for other future AI opportunities. So that's the Claude Corps program. It's a real program, real money, but with some very real catches. Now I want to hear from you. Are you one of the people that qualify for this? Do you have under 2 years experience? Are you in the US? Do you qualify to join this program? Drop a comment in the comment section and let's talk about this. Good luck.